Hello and welcome. A few weeks ago I stumbled on this newish printer called the Rook MK1. It is a mostly printed small volume Core XY 3D printer that they say is a good first printer to build. It was designed by Rollahan 3D and is open sourced. There is a company called Fabrico that sells all of the non-3D printed parts to build this printer as a single kit. At the time of this recording it is $300. There are still some other kits starting to come out in this price range that look pretty sweet, and if all goes well, I just might do another. So before I start assembling the printer, I decided to get a little organized and printed some catch-all trays to help organize the parts. I captured the printing of the trays on time-lapse and then followed it with some stop-motion capture. I hope you enjoy. Over the coming weeks, I will be assembling the Rook MK1 and hope to have it in some videos after I have it working. Thanks for watching.